The car is gonna be in front of me right now. Tornado siren started right there. Just when I walked up to the intersection. Testing the tornado sirens every Tuesday. They test tornado sirens. And they sync it every Tuesday. And every time there's a tornado warning, it's synced too.